That's what it sounds like after I got the car back from the Mazda dealer. Once it warms up, it gets louder. It wasn't like that before. Gonna take it back probably tomorrow after I get off work.